You might be surprised that herbs, spices, and extracts can help flavor desserts and reduce the amount of added sugars, saturated fat, and sodium. Flavor is everything when it comes to food, and it's so much more than taste. It's what makes dishes craveable. In fact, the smell of food has a significant impact on its flavor. You can tell when you walk into a kitchen and it smells like garlic and onions, you're going to have something savory and delicious. Whereas if you walk in and the kitchen smells of cinnamon, you'll likely be having something sweet. This apple blueberry crumble is one of my favorite recipes. It is a perfect example of creating a flavorful and healthy dessert. It is also a versatile recipe. You can swap the apples for an equal amount of other fruits in season. For example, berries and peaches in the summer are a great substitute for fall apples. To start, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Place the apples, brown sugar, flour, vanilla, and cinnamon in a large bowl and toss to coat. Gently stir in the frozen blueberries. Extracts allow you to add intense flavor without adding extra sugars. Experiment with classic vanilla or citrus and other flavored extracts. Citrus extracts make a great addition to cooking and baking because they add a candy citrus flavor compared to a more subtle natural juice. Place the apple mixture in an 8 by 8 inch baking pan or dish and set aside. To make the topping, place the walnuts, oats, brown sugar, flour, flaxseed, and cinnamon in a medium bowl and stir to combine. This recipe is high in fiber because it contains fruit, whole wheat flour, old-fashioned oats, and flaxseed. It provides 21% of the daily fiber recommendation. Add the oil and stir until the mixture is well combined. For this recipe, I am using a minimal amount of fat compared to some other desserts, and the fat comes from canola oil, which has less saturated fat than any other cooking oil. You can also add other warm spices to this topping, such as clove, nutmeg, or even pumpkin pie spice. Warm spices, especially cloves, tend to be very strong, so you only need a small amount. Remember to smell your spices. If you like the aroma, you'll likely enjoy the flavor too. Spread the topping evenly over the fruit mixture. Bake 40 to 45 minutes or until the fruit is tender and the topping is golden brown. Cover with foil about halfway through if the topping browns too quickly. You can top each serving with low-fat vanilla yogurt or a dollop of light whipped cream. When you compare the nutrition facts label of the two recipes, using herbs and spices can significantly reduce added sugars, saturated fat, and sodium while enhancing the flavor of the dessert.